Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So in this course today we will cover the topics are what is Selenium, Selenium tool suite, Selenium IDE, Selenium WebDriver, Selenium Grid and Selenium Architecture. Let's start. What is Selenium? Selenium is open source. It means it is freely available over the internet. It is not a paid tool. And it is an automation testing tool. And now it is web-based automation testing tool. So it means it will run for those applications which we can run on any of the browsers. And it supports multiple operating systems like Windows, Linux, Mac, iOS, Android. Okay. And it works with multiple programming languages like Java. I will be explaining about Java, CS, Ruby, Perl, Python, PHP, JavaScript. It supports multiple browsers. Okay, so it works with Firefox, Chrome, Opera, Microsoft Edge, and Safari. And it works with multiple frameworks also available in Selenium like keyword driven, data driven, and hybrid. So these are the main point which we need to be answered in any interview. Okay, so this is the main point of what is Selenium. Now moving to Selenium tool suite. So in Selenium suite, it comprises of four components: Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, and Selenium WebDriver, and Selenium Grid. RC means remote control. Now Selenium RC and Selenium WebDriver were merged in Selenium 2, and now the upgraded version came with Selenium 3. But now currently in the market in 2024 Selenium 4 is there. Okay. Later on I will be explaining you about Selenium 4 new features. Okay, so this you should know as per the interview question. Okay. Now what is Selenium IDE? So Selenium IDE is a browser plugin which is available in Chrome and Firefox browser. It is just record and play. Okay, so we will record all the action by hitting it, and it will keep that code inside it, and when we play it then it will execute that step which we have recorded. Selenium WebDriver is a web application tool introduced by eliminating all the drawbacks of IDE in RC. RC I told remote control. Okay, and it is very simple and very easy to understand the architecture and its uses. Now Selenium Grid is a tool where we can run the test parallelly across different machines in different browsers at the same time, which results in the minimized execution time. Now we are moving to Selenium architecture. It is the most important question of any interview. Okay, so first of all we can see Selenium client library means there is an like Eclipse an editor, and we have code in Java language. Okay, and we have one we can say HTTP protocol by which the code is getting transferred into a browser driver and real browser. Okay, and I will be telling you on like how the code is transferred and how the action is taken and response is given back to the client. So thank you. Please subscribe and like my video and do share. If you have any question, please comment. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.